Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel C4 Craft. Today's video is a DIY party clutch. Let's quickly check out how to make this drop-down gorgeous clutch which is perfect for marriage functions and evening parties. For this project, you just need 4 basic things. 2 pieces of main fabric. A glitter fabric or a shimmer fabric or sequin fabric will be best for this. 2 pieces of lining fabric, 2 pieces of fusible interfacing, it should be a heavy duty interfacing, and a zipper. Here I am using a thick plastic sheet to give stiffness to the main fabric. This is not needed when you have a heavy duty interfacing or a thick interfacing. Mine is a normal interfacing, so I am using this as an alternative. Now we are going to paste the interfacing to the main fabric. The glossy side has glue on it and it should be pasted on the wrong side of the main fabric with the help of iron. Do this to both the pieces of the main fabric. Now place the right side of the lining fabric first and on top place the right side of the zipper. And then place the wrong side of the main fabric. Pin all together and take this to your sewing machine and sew it. Zigzag stitch first and then we'll be adding a straight stitch. Here you need to adjust the placement of the zipper pull or slider. Move it a bit forward and continue stitching. Repeat the same process with the other pieces too. That is, the right side of the lining first, on top right side of the zipper, and then place the wrong side of the main fabric. Pin it all together and sew it. This is how it will look. We need to give a top stitch. Before that, we need to iron it to get the neat look. Now hold the lining fabric together and pin the edge in such a way that the zipper teeth is facing towards the lining fabric and not the main fabric. Now this is the most important step. If you skip this, then the entire project will be a mess. Always remember to keep the zipper open before stitching all the sides. Leave an opening in the lining side of the bag for turning. At this point, I am adding thick plastic sheet to the main fabric. This is not necessary when using a thick interfacing. Pin main pieces to one side and lining pieces to other side, making sure that you are matching the main fabric's right sides together and the lining fabric's right sides together. Clip the excess fabric from the corners turn the bag right side out through this space in the lining. Use any tool like a pen to help poke out the corners. Stitch the opening and tuck the lining into the clutch, and you're done. Do let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions. Also, please do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on the latest videos.